You welcome back to my channel. I'm glad having you here. This is Learn French with Queen. Here we learn to read, write and speak French in an easy format, like easy made French. Like we learn it step by step. We don't rush it here on this platform. So if you love my videos, do well to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to like and share my videos, and most importantly to subscribe. So today we'll be looking at the French accent. We have 5 basic French accents in French language. We will be looking at how they are used in words and the sounds they give. So let's start. So in French language, we have 5 basic accents. Let's start with accent aigu. Accent aigu looks as if it is ascending forward. So it is ascending, like upward. So accent aigu pose uniquement sur le E, that is the E sound in English language. So in French language, you don't see accent aigu on any other vowel except E, that is E. So let's move to the next one. We have accent grave. Accent grave look as if it is descending. Something that is descending, a mark that it is descending. So l'accent grave porte sur le E, A, E, U. That is, we have accent grave on E, A and U in French language. Basically, when you see any French words with E, A, U, mostly in any, whether your dictionary, your novels, your textbooks, you will always learn accent grave on these 3 vowels, like this, or like this. That is how it is in French language. So let's move to the next one. We have le trema. This is the sign for le trema. It has 2 dots. Trema is always with 2 dots. On l'emploie sur la vowel I, that is, it is used on an E vowel. An E vowel, that is this way. We have our E with 2 dots. Mostly, the trema is always on E and rarely on E and U. You have it this way. Rarely, but mostly you see it on E and rarely on E and U. So let's move to the next one. Okay, so now we have accent circonflexe. L'accent circonflexe. So l'accent circonflexe looks like a little bit of V, but upside down. So l'accent circonflexe porte sur toutes les voyelles sauf le Y. That is, you can see accent circonflexe on all the vowels except Y, that is except Y, like we have it A, E, I, O, U. So you can see accent circumflex like that on them except for Y. So let's move to the next one. We have la Cédille. La Cédille looks like a little bit of small S, like this way. So it looks like a little bit of small S underneath a C. La Cédille se place sur le C to give the sound S. Pour lui donner la position S devant, in front of A, E and U, A, U. That is, say, when it has this, it gives you the sound. For instance, like this. We have ça va devant A, E or U. Just an instant. So instead of having ça va, we have ça va, like they used to say, bonjour, comment ça va? So why is it pronounced ça va? Why not ça va? It is because there is Cédille underneath it. So that way, we have Cédille gives the sound ça va before A, E and U. When you have your Cédille underneath your C before A, O or U. So these are the basic 5 French accents we have: accent aigu, accent grave, accent circonflexe. We have the trema et la Cédille. Now I hope you know all your French accents, how they are used in words, and the sounds they give. So let me know at the comment section how well you understand your French accent, the usage, and if you have anything as regarding the French accent you can write to me on the comment section. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you find it useful. Share with friends and loved ones that will love it. And don't forget to subscribe so that we can keep going on this platform. So see you in my next one. A bientôt.